We are now witnessing the dancing on the move of the regiments in the arena, which is going to take quite some moments, as we can see that the numbers are really, really large. One would presume there's nobody left back there at home. It is because of the love of our culture, the love of who we are. It's a ceremony where we are embracing the first fruit in the Kingdom of Eswatini, where we have witnessed the delivery of different harvests that have been drawn from the fields and from the wild, being delivered to their majesty to report that, yes, of course, the year has transgraded very, very humbly, since the nation is going to be okay in matters of food security. That is what we're witnessing yesterday. And today is the celebration, the dancing, and thanking Almighty and also our ancestors for taking us through up to this far. And it is an occasion that has thrown throngs and throngs of people from all over the world. In case you are not here, you are invited to come over. Next year we are going to be seeing this occasion again next year. But of course, tomorrow we'll be still continuing with this festivity. And you are missing out if you are not here. But of course, we are having live streaming of this occasion, which reflects who we are as Emaswati. The situation is warm here. We are having the rare occasion where we interact with their majesties. Where else can you get that other than Eswatini? We hope we are going to enjoy being here with us as we go through our program. Please feel comfortable in your seats. And of course, hold on, because there's a lot that is going to happen here that is exciting. Bayethe, wena waphakathi, Nkosi, Ndlovukazi, Mhlekazi. Bophezolo khona lamangenako fakane mandla nivale sikhala lesesele umgamu lingcingelene libutfo sonzelani luthango ngengoma yenu ukusetshenzwe enkundleni. Bayethe wena waphakathi, Nkosi, Ndlovukazi, Mhlekazi.